Oh yeah, and please tell me in the
so
comments
you wanna
below
know
for this
a
video
bit more
if you
secrets
know
in
any
Animal
other hacks in this game.
Well,
And
one
yeah,
of
it's
them
technically hacks.
is
I mean,
if
like,
a few people dance near here,
I don't know
it will fly
what
and
else
move.
to say for
I
it
only looked
other than secrets. So yeah.
on Agent Mew's screen to see this. I wasn't here. It starts to fly. The statue's alive. Oh yeah, and something else is that you can only be a toucan or owl to do this. But oh yeah, the pets stay on you unless they can fly. Glad I found a member without a clan. So you could sit on houses like this also. That's it. It's really short. That's it for today. Bye.